To create a Xaman wallet, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure the security and functionality of your new wallet. First, go to the official Xaman website and click on the Create Wallet button. You will be prompted to download and install the Xaman software on your computer or mobile device. Once the software is installed, open it and click on the Create New Wallet option. You will be asked to choose a password for your wallet. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you can remember. This password will be used to encrypt your wallet and protect your funds. Next, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words that can be used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. Make sure to write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure location. After you have written down the seed phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by typing it back into the software. This is an important step to ensure that you have written down the seed phrase correctly. Once you have confirmed the seed phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be able to see your wallet address and balance. You can use this address to receive funds from other Xaman users. It is also important to note that Xaman wallets offer advanced security features such as encryption and two-factor authentication. Make sure to enable these features to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. Finally, make sure to back up your wallet regularly to prevent loss of funds in case your computer or mobile device is damaged or lost by following these steps and best practices. You can create a secure and functional Xaman wallet and start using it to send and receive funds.